Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. With the increase in awareness about the healthy eating habits, people, especially the youngsters, they are becoming health conscious and they read about the nutrients as well as vitamins present in the products they are going to consume. So carrot, which is known as the powerhouse of the nutrients, we usually know that there are two types available in the market, red and orange. But here in PAU, we have learned that different varieties of the carrots being produced over here. So to know about these varieties and their nutritional value, their health benefits, we are having with us Dr. Ruma Devi, who is Assistant Professor Vegetable Science here at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. So welcome ma'am to The Sovera. Ma'am, first of all, what kind of varieties are present over here in the carrot?
Sir, we have 5 different kinds of varieties. You can say 5 different colors of varieties.
Okay.
First is a red color. That is, the variety name is PC161.
Okay.
This variety is red in color and rich in carotene and lycopene. And the yield of this variety is about 256 quintals per acre.
Okay.
And it gets ready in about 90 days.
Okay. Right.
So the second variety is Punjab Black Beauty, which is dark purple in color. And the dark purple color of this variety is due to high content of anthocyanin, and it is also rich in phenols and at the same time iron, which is highly helpful for, especially for the pregnant women
Okay.
or children who especially are anemic in the population. And it is also, the anthocyanin is anti-cancerous.
Okay.
And you can consume it as kanji, which is a traditional beverage, and that is a probiotic. And really good, you can say, probiotic for the gut health. And the yield of this variety is about 196 quintals per acre.
Okay.
And it also gets ready in about 90 days.
Okay.
And then the third variety is Punjab Roshni, which is yellow in color. The yellow color of this variety is due to lutein. This pigment is highly helpful in maintaining the eye health, especially the degenerating membrane in the eye, that is macular membrane, which degenerate with aging.
Okay.
So at the same time, it helps in cataract. Means like if you consume it regularly, it will increase, it will boost the eye health.
Right.
And then we have one variety which is purple in color. Actually, that is purple outside, and the flesh is orange in color. So it has the combination of two pigments, carotene as well as anthocyanin. So you can consume it in juice or salad, or in this you can make this pickle also.
Okay.
Means like in different forms you can consume it. And then we have orange color variety, that is Punjab Santri, and the yield is about 180 to 190 quintals per acre. It also gets ready in about 100 days.
Okay.
And this variety is rich in carotene actually.
Okay.
That is why its color is orange.
Okay. And which is the most commonly adopted or consumed variety, and what are the reasons behind that?
Most commonly, from means like which is most popular in our region is red color, because you can see the market is almost now in glut because of the red color.
Right.
So at the same time, even black color sometimes you can see at some premium shops.
Right.
Not on the radies or local, like everybody won't keep it because it is kind of expensive, but people usually don't have the knowledge about the importance of these varieties, about their nutritional benefits. So sometimes people don't buy it, or they don't know how to consume it. If they know how to consume, then they can use it probably.
Ma'am, and there is any difference between the nutrients when we consume in a raw form or in a cooked form?
Not very big difference, but sometimes you can see there are certain varieties, like there are certain vegetables or certain which are purple in color, which are rich in anthocyanin, but their anthocyanin degraded after cooking. But in carrot, it doesn't go. In our variety, PC, this Punjab Black Beauty, it doesn't degrade even after cooking. So
Okay.
that is the kind of specialty of this variety.
Right. Like as you mentioned that this Black Beauty, it has medicinal value as well.
Yeah.
It can use for cancer treatment and others.
Yeah.
Similarly, if you talked about Punjab Roshni, which is used for cataract patient. So if we talked about their adoption or their market demand, whether the consumers they are adopting these or they are purchasing these varieties of carrots.
The people who have knowledge, like the people who have knowledge of this even Black Beauty, Punjab Black Beauty, they usually ask for the seed, they ask for the product also, like carrot also. That is why it is selling about 25 rupees paya, 250 grams, right?
Okay.
So the other variety is like 20 rupees a kg now in the market, you can see, है ना? So it is like that only. Means like demand is also based on how much consumer awareness is there about the product. And then even if farmers, they will grow only when there is demand.
Right,
Sometimes some people like they grow but there is no demand, they take to the market and nobody is there to buy that.
Exactly.
So sometimes like it is kind of awareness is needed at consumer level as well as at the farmer level.
Right. As you mentioned that farmers will grow only when there is demand. So at present, what is the demand and how many farmers, if we talk about Punjab, so what is the cultivation, how many farmers they have adopted, they have moved toward these varieties?
Many farmers, they are growing especially Punjab Black Beauty. But mostly the demand is since of the red. So the area under red is more.
Okay. And as now Punjab government, they are also making efforts to diversify from rice, wheat culture to horticulture. And so what is their contribution, these carrots contribution in this diversification?
Carrots can play a very good role in diversification because the thing is that it requires very less water. Because in rice wheat there is like a very high requirement of water. Secondly, it is a very short duration, like in 3 months you can take these into the market. And if you planned it in a proper manner, like somewhat early or somewhat late, or selection of proper varieties, so you can get very good returns in the market.
Okay. So you said it is a short-term variety and it use less water also, so it is beneficial for Punjab, which is facing a depleting water level.
Yeah.
But as of now, on the other side, you said that if there will be demand, only then farmers will adopt these varieties.
Yeah.
So now, what role Punjab Agriculture University is playing to aware the people about these varieties so that farmers they can grow these varieties more?
We are conducting many training camps, we are conducting field days, we are demonstrating it on farmers field, we are demonstrating it on Kisan Melas, live samples. So people come, they see, they always ask. There are a lot of queries in the Kisan Melas about the seed, and even demand is rising for these varieties. So means like PAU is doing our best to promote these varieties.
Okay. And what message at last you want to give to the general public about the varieties which are present over here, and if they want to get the varieties, whether they can avail these facilities from Punjab Agriculture University or not?
Carrot is a powerhouse of nutrients. You get each and every nutrient from it, and you can consume it in many ways. Like you can make anything out of it: a halwa, normal table purpose sabji, a vegetable, right? Salad, juice.
Right.
Means a probiotic. Means like you name any product.
Right.
Capsule, like you name any product, you can make anything from it.
Right.
So you can consume it whatever way you want to consume it. Like whatever, like if you like juice, you can make juice out of it. If you like salad, you can take as a salad. So means like it is a superfood, and it comes under the top 10 most nutritious vegetables. So you should consume it, and you should means like every member of your family, even kids, they like it. And in USA, people, they are making small pieces of it, and they are eating it like just only carrot, small pieces they are packing, and they are freezing, and people are eating it like that only, just salad.
Right. Thank you so much. So she was Dr. Ruma Devi, who is assistant professor at the vegetable science here at Punjab Agriculture University, and she has highlighted the benefits of different types of the carrots which are being produced over here. So you can see this is the most commonly adopted or consumed type of carrot, which is a red carrot. Then it comes the Punjab Black Beauty, which she has highlighted that it has a medicinal value. The cancer patients, they are advised to consume this carrot as it has a different nutritional value. So similarly, another carrot is this Punjab Roshni, which is yellow in color, and it is suggested for the patients with the cataract problem. And then comes Punjab Jamuni, and then the orange carrot over here. So these are the 5 different varieties of carrots which are being produced over here. And Dr. Ruma Devi, she has highlighted different nutritional value and how these carrots, they benefit the health of a person. So you are watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.